everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing fat reduction tea that would actually help you to wash down some amount of fat in your body, especially on your stomach area and your hands. Okay, this fast remedy is actually very effective, but you have to also walk. Now the work that you're going to do here is that you're going to take less of carbohydrate, take less of soda, take less of fatty food like junk food and stuff. Eat healthy and take this and you're going to be loving it. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up this video. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so have you actually tried using onion tea for fat reduction? Yeah, if you've not used onion tea for fat reduction, man, I'm gonna be showing you a great way, simple and very effective way to use onion tea for fat reduction. And this is going to be very effective, guys. All right, so for you to achieve a very good result, you would have to use red onion. Yeah, I have red onion. So after peeling and cleaning it up, I would have to wash it. Yeah, and then cut that again in smaller pieces. Okay, so here I have my onion that I've already put in already. So the thing is that I'd already done this video, but the camera was not recording, so I had to do it again so you guys could see it. All right, so this is it. I have 2 onions here, and then the very next ingredients you're gonna be needing is garlic. Now garlic is very effective when it comes to mixing it with onion. It actually helps to activate the ingredients and makes it work really well. So when you try using garlic for your tea, especially with this onion tea, it works like magic. So I'm only going to be using few cloves of garlic, about 3 of them. Okay, so after dividing them, I'm going to be peeling it. Well, it's actually quite easy to peel that particular one. So I'm going to be peeling the peel of the garlic. Now this ingredient does not only remove fat, it helps to heal you up, it helps for eyesight, it also helps to clean your system up. Okay, so it's not just for fat, but it does a whole lot of stuff in your body, guys. Okay, so this is it, and now I would have to rinse it, because anything we're going to be putting in our mouths, we're going to be rinsing it up. So here I have my garlic, and I'm going to be putting it in there. So I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water to be able to blend this, not too much, but I'll be using a hot water to make this tea. Not hot water with this cup. So now I would have to blend it. Alright guys, so after blending this red onion, and the garlic, this is what I got. And now I would have to be turning it into this bowl. So what I'm going to do is that this is a hot water. I don't know if you can see the flame coming out. So I'm going to be putting the hot water into this. And then we're going to be stirring it and mixing it all up. The tea is gonna be much anyways, so that's why I just have to turn everything into the cup and just mix everything with the hot water. So the very next ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be this, and this is lime. Okay, I have here lime, I have here lemon, so this is the difference. Although they are both green, but this is how it is. The lime is usually small, the lemon is usually bigger. Okay, our lime and lemons are usually green anyways, so I'm gonna be using lime. Where's the other one that I bought? So I have a half cut of lime here. I would have to be squeezing some of that in case it's not much, because the lime juice usually usually not much anyways, so that's why I would have to squeeze that in first before I would have to cut this one. So even just a little bit of the lime juice will go a long way. You're going to be feeling the taste of the lime juice. I'm going to be squeezing everything in here. And now I would have to stir and mix it up really well. Alright, so after mixing it up, now the very last ingredient we're going to be needing for this, which is also very important and very required for this drink, is this. And this is lemon also, so we're using lemon plus the lime for this. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now, the lemon is helpful to flush out your system, you know, make you really light. Now when you're light, you're literally flexible. Okay, it's going to activate this onion tea to make it really effective. So putting in the citric juice is going to make this work really well, so go give this a try. Yeah, and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so after that is done, then I'll have to stir it all up. Now after that, you can decide to drink it this way plus all of the fiber, although it's very hot right now, or you can decide to sieve it out. For me, I love to sieve it out so that, you know, drinking it will be easier for me. So that's why I love to squeeze out my juice and sieve it out. Right, so after that, here I have my onion tea looking really beautiful and tastes really nice. So this onion tea is actually very helpful. It will not only help you to remove fat, it will help you for your eyesight, it will equally help you, you know, to stay healthy and it will remove all of those stones, clogging your tubes and here and there. And it's equally good for ladies. Okay, so go give this a go, and this thing would also help you to remove fat. It will reduce your weight, and it will equally help you glow from the inside out. So that's it. It is actually very healthy, natural, and effective too. It tastes great and it looks good, so you can be consistent. Okay, these natural things are something that you have to be consistent. Give it a little time and you're going to begin to see a great result. All right, so that's it. I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share, and bye.